What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Rambling Garage. Here we are going to work on the Z90 today. We're going to get this thing running, hopefully. I did do some work on this. We got some stuff connected, but I'll show you that here shortly. I'm going to finish up. I got a couple things like motor mounts to get tightened in there. We have the exhaust on there. It's not painted up and finished, but it will be soon enough. We also got to put the chain on there. But I want to make sure motor mounts are tight. I want to get the key back where it should be, and just a couple little things like that. So we're going to get started on that right now. And we'll take you guys with us. Alright guys, so there's still a few things that we gotta do. I have a new light for this, so we gotta put that light in there. We gotta put the chain on, and then obviously put this left side cover on. Chain, I think the rear wheel needs to be loosened a little bit. I just can't get the chain on, so we'll be able to do that. Also, we'll be painting the exhaust a flat black. I have a new sleeve right here, and that'll kind of be that. So we did get the motor mounts all tightened up. Got the key back into its the place it's supposed to be. Everything over here is done. I think we even have the clutch in the right spot, and battery back in. So that's kind of that, guys. I do want to give it a first start here. I did go back through the carb one time and I cleaned that. I did have a leak in the carb earlier, and it seems to not be so much of an issue right now. It was a float needle issue, just not sealing properly, I think. So that's that. I do have some wire cleanup here that I need to do, obviously, but that should be pretty easy. So yeah, that's kind of that. I'm thinking we try and start this thing and see if it wants to run. Crack that garage real quick before we all die. There we have it, guys. It runs. It started really easy. I do need to heat cycle this thing, do all that. Seems pretty healthy. I do want to. It was a little lenient or a little timid starting at first. I think we have some carb adjustments to do yet, but we're going to do that. So it runs. I'm excited. We'll get that chain back on here in the next video. I want to get the chain on, get the cover on, get that exhaust painted, and then we'll be cleaning up some of this chrome on the bike here. So that's kind of that for today, guys. We could get the Z90 running again with a fresh new top end. Not a whole lot has changed. It'll look a little different down there with the side cover And then we'll also be doing the exhaust as well. And then all this will be shined up, hopefully. And some of the other odds and ends will get a little bit better. I don't want to make this too unoriginal outside of the motor there. So that is that. So there you have it, guys. Seems to run well. We'll have more in the next video. Hopefully some riding videos soon. It's cold out still, middle of January, but this will definitely be something that we can ride come in the spring. So seems to run well. Those rings seem to do well. We'll have to do more to get them seated properly and do some heat cycles here before we really start thrashing on it. But that's a good start, I think. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be sure to tune in, sub, whatever, so you can see the next videos. I appreciate everyone's support, and that's that. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.